Hello, and welcome to Back to School Night 2020, virtual style. My name is Matt D'Antuono, and I'm a teacher of AP Physics C, and here's some information about the class. So first of all, about me, I have a BS in Physics from James Madison University. I have an MA in Special Education, and I also have a BA in Philosophy, and I'm working on an MA in Philosophy at the moment. It's my 16th year as a teacher. It's my 13th year teaching physics. It's my 8th year here at the high school and my 6th year teaching AP Physics. I took over the course from a woman who had taught the course for more than 25 years, and she had even been a grader, one of the people who goes to read and grade the AP tests. So all the material I got from her, and she trained me, and I actually sat in on the class. So it's a very good course content. And then what I've done is I've taken it and recorded it in videos. So we have what's called a flipped classroom. The students watch the videos, they take notes at home, and then in class we're working on solving problem sets together and preparing for the types of problems they're going to see on the AP test. And so we repeat everything that the students learn in AP Physics 1, and then we go beyond that. We add calculus to it, and then go beyond as well and cover other topics, more in the electricity and magnetism area. This course actually prepares the students to take two tests. There's the AP Physics Mechanics and the AP Physics Electricity and Magnetism. They're two separate tests. And so this class is worth 8 credits if students do the dual enrollment at Seton Hall University. We cover basically the entire first 2 semesters of a university physics class. Kids who would be taking, kids who are physics majors and kids who are engineering majors would take these 2 classes in their first year in college. The grade is 70% tests, 20% quizzes and labs and skill checks, and then 10% classwork and homework. And here's how you can contact me. My email is my last name. You can put the apostrophe in or leave it out. Sometimes systems don't accept the apostrophe. I consider that bias and prejudice, but we're all fighting for our rights. And so I wanted to give you a little taste of what AP Physics is like. The students have to use all their resources that they've ever learned in any math class in physics, and then apply them at any given time and think outside the box at the same time. Here's a little brain teaser that kind of gets at what we're talking about. So this equation that you're looking at is true, but the question is how? This would be a good place to pause it to think about it if you want, because I'm about to give you the answer. And it's simply that you flip the equation over. You're looking at it upside down, because 16 equals 8 plus 8. And here's another example of a question that gets at this idea of having to think outside the box and use all kinds of mental resources to solve the question. A bear walks 1 mile south, 1 mile east, and then 1 mile north, and is back in the place he began. What color is the bear? Pause it if you want to think about it, because here's the answer. The answer is that he's white. We know this because if you walk 1 mile southeast and then 1 mile north and end up back in the same place, that means that you're doing geometry on a sphere, and you're starting at the North Pole. That's the only place where you could do this. And so the bear that you see is white because you're at the North Pole. Right? So when you do geometry on a sphere, it's different from geometry on a flat, plane surface. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this. And I really look forward to working with the students this year. If you have any questions, again, don't hesitate to reach out.